Sridevi's case is a case of murder. I sent somebody to the hotel where she was, and they checked about this bathtub also.
I take this pleasure of introducing my very special guest, Mr. Naresh Sood. Namaste and welcome, sir.
नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार
And साथ ही साथ actually क्योंकि आज का session बहुत ही special है, so I'm gonna take you as well along with me. Welcome back, Deepthi.
Thank you, Varun. Hello, good evening, sir.
So, sir, आपने भी, you've heard this, you have yourself
Yeah.
spoken about this. So, what is
Yeah.
your take on this story at this point of time?
I would just go about it in a very simple way. Sridevi's case is a case of murder. In the murder of Sridevi, there is a clear hand of the underworld, because this has been done in a very professional way, and Dubai is the best place for the people to indulge in, especially for the underworld people, because they are very active over there. There is no doubt about that. And whatever anybody may say,
Right.
and I will just tell you one thing, that the central government, they had their limitations, because for an individual it may be a particular case, but for the government it's one of the general case, because government has lot of problems, lot of things on hand, lot of job they have to do. It's simple one thing for them, but the main thing is, at that time lot of things didn't have come. And one more thing is there, at that time the government did not have the authority, rather the NIA did not have the authority to operate outside India. They didn't have the authority to conduct inquiries outside India.
Okay.
So it was taken as a normal case, and I think some people, they may have ignored it, but now it's the time has come with the Sushant Singh Rajput case, because I also knew about this case, that a lot of things had happened, but was just keeping quiet, and I was waiting for some time, and this was the appropriate time when Sushant Singh Rajput came and the government woke up and agencies woke up. So I raised this voice, because whatever Deepthi has done, she has done wonderful job. There's no doubt about it. And she has done investigation also. I also lately did some investigation, and I sent somebody to the hotel where she was, and they checked about this bathtub also, the size of the bathtub and everything.
Right.
So there is no doubt that it was not a simple case of death. It was a clear-cut case of murder, and the murder that has been done has been done in a very professional way, and with the support of the underworld, with the mafia. No doubt about that.
Wow.
Now, as far as you talk about the Supreme Court, I tell you one thing. I had been to the Supreme Court number of times on number of issues, but for Supreme Court also, all the cases are of a general type. For them, because there's a lot of rush in the Supreme Court, a lot of people keep coming to the Supreme Court, and there's so much of backlog that they cannot give attention to each and every case. Cases keep coming because there are certain lawyers are there who are already roaming around every chamber of the Supreme Court. So, and Supreme Court also acts when the things are normal, or mainly there's some special attention is drawn. And I think now special attention has been drawn. So Supreme Court should also be active, and similarly the central government will also be active.
Okay.
And I am sure that Sridevi will soon get justice. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that already in Sushant Singh Rajput's case, NIA is there. What NIA is doing, they are going to investigate the underworld and terror hand. And same applies to the case of Sridevi. So I'm sure NIA will also take up this case, and I will also raise my voice that NIA should also take up the case of Sridevi, because they have been given authority by the central government to conduct investigations outside India.
Wow.
And with this, I'm sure Sridevi will get justice.
Great. Please, Mr. Kamath, go ahead.
I have never denied the fact that a person whom I revered as my idol from the time I started studying the meaning of the word justice. I clearly said the meaning of the word justice is what I learned from Sood sir. Sir, we have managed to get it into a position wherein the very existence of the Supreme Court can be questioned. Because the matter is in sub judice, I cannot take it any further from here. But we have got it into a position wherein we can question the authenticity of the Supreme Court. and this has raised all horns in the heads of honorable ministers like Ravi Shankar Prasad. I'm sorry, I should not be taking names, but supporting with the document of the act of desperation filed by Deepti ji, and me being a legal advisor's assistant, I have all the rights to say here today. And Varun ji, you can put this in bold and clear that I'm ready for any action that can be taken on me according to the constitutional rights that Ravi Shankar Prasad ji interfered with our case, and we have documented evidence for it.
Mr. Kamath, shall I say add one more thing?
Please, sir.
Actually, you are taking the name of our law minister. You have every right to do that. And I told you one thing, that the people against whom you are fighting, they were very powerful. Whole of the Bollywood was with them. It is not only that, because I tell you one more thing.
The name of the law minister, sir.
Yeah, what happens? I can also take take lot of things, say lot of things against the people who are wrong. Maybe it is Ravi Shankar Prasad or anybody, but the people who were briefing him were very powerful. And one more thing I tell you. Boni Kapoor is the brother of Anil Kapoor. Anil Kapoor has lot of links with the underworld. I had made a special video that Anil Kapoor has links with Anil Musarrat. And these people, these Bollywood people had all combined together to defend Boni Kapoor. But today, this Bollywood or their strength has been totally broken. And this is the most appropriate time that we should strike them. And Mr. Kamath, I tell you that, of course, Deepti has been fighting from the front, but her strength has been due. You are standing behind her. That's a big strength. And I tell you at this time, of course, the COVID problem is there. But now,
yeah, go ahead.
I would like to join you in ensuring that justice is given to Sridevi. And the people who are supporting her are today largely weakened. So fighting in the Supreme Court is one thing. Fighting on the other platform is very important. And of course, we should expose them more properly. But I told you certain things, our governments depend a lot on the reports of the ambassadors. I was in the foreign country. I was sitting there. One of the stars at that time came. She had lost her passport. Violating the procedures, immediately a duplicate passport was issued because they are big things, they are big people. So that always happens. So there's nothing to feel bad with that you are fighting this case of Sridevi, but for everything there is an appropriate time. I think the appropriate time has come, and the people who were supporting Boni Kapoor against Sridevi are today weakened, and nobody will listen to them. Nobody will hear to them, and we should, forgetting all the things that had happened in the past, we should move forward. We should move forward to ensure that Sridevi gets justice, and that is the basic purpose of Deepti and you, Dr. Kamath. So
very nice.
I will be standing with you, and I would like to support you in all your endeavors that you are doing, and we will ensure that Sridevi gets justice, like the other people, like maybe Sushant Singh, because a lot of people are talking about Sushant Singh. It is not only Sushant Singh, it is Disha also. After that, 15 more people have been killed. They are also important. But it is not the death of the people. It is death. The issue is the issues are concerned because already we were talking before this video was coming out that it is not drugs, it is not murder, it is black money, it is hawala, it is terrorism, it is national security. Everything is coming. So all these cases are directly connected with national security, and they should get justice, and we should support and fight for the national security for the nation. For me, individual doesn't matter. I am nobody, you are nobody, but our nation is first. So in the interest of nation, Sridevi should get justice. Sushant Singh Rajput should get justice, because some people are saying, oh, what has happened? No, nobody is doing anything in Sushant Rajput case. That is not important. National security is important. With national security, all these cases will be solved, and they should be solved, and we will get justice for the nation. It is for the nation that is there.
Perfect.
And I will fight for the nation or for everything.
So, Mr. Kamath, before you say something, I definitely have to say this, and especially because of the platform that we are on, I think I really feel proud that, all the pain, the suffering, the fight that Deepthi had. I mean, getting support from Mr. Sood is definitely a huge boost. Not only because who Mr. Sood is, but also because he's the also one of the frontline warriors. Have kind of evaluated this case, had done investigation, and has been very vocal. He is also one of the vocal warriors, I call them, who has said that this is not a suicide, this is not an accidental death, this is a murder. And even on this platform right now, he said that. So I think Deepthi, partly I would say, halaki, there's a long way to go. But I would still feel very happy that at least the small battles that we have with people, with institutes, with certain ideologies. I think with Mr. Sood saying that and coming out in support of you guys, I think it's a big win for you already.
It's a big boost to this fight, actually.
Yes.
1 second.
And one more thing, Dipti, I must tell you one more thing. Even if our national channels, they don't take up the case. And I tell you one thing, if our national channels don't take up the case, I will ensure that there are a number of YouTube channels which are very effective. They would take up the case. I would ask Mr. Kapur to kindly give you my number so that we talk to them and I connect you to other channels, and we will ensure that Sridevi get justice. That is our basic purpose. That is our basic goal. And we should try to achieve that, forgetting what happened in the past. We should forget that.